The foundation of operational excellence lies in a well-integrated combination of strategy, people, and processes and is based on 6 pillars. Firstly, it starts with a clear and cohesive strategy that aligns the organization's goals with its operational capabilities. Secondly, it requires involving people at all levels, fostering a culture where every employee is engaged and empowered to contribute to process improvements. Thirdly, it depends on streamlined processes that are continually assessed and optimized to ensure they are as efficient and effective as possible. Fourthly, a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is central, ensuring that all operations not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Additionally, a culture of continuous improvement is vital, even more than competitive advantage. Because most competitive advantages can be copied and are short-lived. But organization's culture is a primary source of sustained advantage. Finally, smart decision-making at all levels in the company is essential, as it encourages organizations to consistently evaluate and enhance their operations to adapt to changing business scenarios and customer needs. This holistic approach ensures that operational excellence is sustainable and can drive long-term business success.